Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do the check out the gaming performance of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. It is having a mid-range killer in this price range because the specification about this phone is really amazing. This phone is costing around 34,000 PKR in Pakistan market, and this phone comes with a high silicon 710F processor with a 4GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage, and the display size is having a 6.59-inch full view display with a full HD resolution, but it is having a IPS LCD display, not Super AMOLED display that we have seen on Samsung phones. And the processor is having a lighter version of the original high silicon 710 that we have seen on the Honor 8X, as well as some another phones from Huawei and Honor. And in this price range, this phone is giving you a AI triple cameras on the back with a 13 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. And this phone is also giving you a very huge battery size, 4000 mAh battery size. And let's quickly show you the gaming performance of this phone. In this video I'm gonna show you Asphalt 9 with the Marvel Future Fights and some more games like Subway Surfer and a Temple Run 2. So let's really launch Asphalt 9. And you can see, and the display aspect ratio is excellent on this phone for gaming wise. And you can see, and the visual quality I set on the default. This phone is also giving you a high quality as well as a performance phone, but I play this game on default setting. And guys, I have to say that I did not notice any lag in this game, and this phone is handled this game very easily without any problem. And the graphics wise, this phone is also giving you a very immersive experience with the help of full view display. And next up is the Marvel Future Fights. Okay guys, and you can see, and I set the graphics and the performance on high, and let's play. And guys, I have to say, and the game is not very smooth with this application. I noticed very huge lag in this game, but overall I have to say, in this price range it is very decent from this phone. And guys, and you can see, and in this game application, and this phone is not very handle this game very easily. I noticed very huge lags and the frame drops as well. And next up is the Subway Surfer, and it is not a very heavy game, but and many people is not play very heavy games like Asphalt 9 as well as a PUBG. And last game application is the Temple Run 2, the Subway Surfer games, and this phone is handle this game very easily. The Temple Run 2. And sorry for guys, and someone is crying. Thank you so much for watching this gaming review of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And overall, I'd say this phone is a really good deal in this price range for the cameras and the battery and the front display with the excellent screen to body ratio. It is worth it. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.